welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I glamorize my very scratched up makeup table. So first I took end dust and a rag and I wiped down the surface to make sure that there was no cat hair. I have a lot of animals in my house. So I made sure that there was no cat hair, dog hair, nothing, just a clear surface. So here I'm just going to take some Glass Plus, a sculptor, and some marble contact paper. And this is going to be all the products I'm going to use for this DIY. So now I'm just going to take the Glass Plus and spray it all over the table just to help me maneuver around the contact paper so it's easier to lift and move around if something didn't end up in the right spot. Now I'm just going to simply place it very carefully onto my makeup table, and then I'm going to eventually grab the sculptor. I think that's what it's called. I'm not completely sure. The utensil I'm going to use to make sure that there's no bubbles in the contact paper. I'm so sad. I don't have enough. But my friend said that she has a whole roll of it at her house, so I'm like hoping and praying that like she's gonna like let me have it. But yeah, so I'm gonna hit a pause on this DIY and I'll come right back. So as you can see here, I ended up removing my contact paper and applying my friend's contact paper because it was a lot more, it fit my table a lot better than mine did, so, and she had a lot more too to work with, so that was great. So I ended up doing the exact same thing. I put it down carefully, I sculpted it to where there was no bubbles or anything. And as you can see here that I can easily lift up the contact paper because I applied the Glass Plus beforehand, so I definitely recommend that before applying the contact paper. And here I finally applied the last piece of contact paper that I had room for on my makeup table. And this is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys like this DIY video. I definitely enjoyed it, and I felt as though that it definitely brightened up my makeup table because it was such a dark gray. So when I put the white on top, it just made it a lot more brighter and more vibrant. And yeah, I really hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you liked me, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.